What is considered a DOT accident? What is a non-preventable accident? Knowing what counts as preventable and non-preventable can mean the difference between being hired at a new trucking carrier and being passed on. I'm Laurie Hayward, a safety manager here at ATS, and today I'd like to talk to you a little bit about preventable and non-preventable DOT accidents. First of all, what is a DOT accident? It's defined by the FMCSA as a collision that results in either a fatality, an injury that requires immediate medical treatment from the scene, or disabling damage to any vehicle involved. They're tracked to monitor safety and are reported to the federal government. DOT accidents will remain on your driver record for the next 5 years. According to the FMCSA, particular types of DOT accidents are considered non-preventable. You as a driver should make sure that your driving record marks these accidents as non-preventable if they qualify. The types of accidents that are considered non-preventable fall into these categories. If the commercial motor vehicle is struck in the rear, if you are parked or legally stopped, if the party that struck you was under the influence, if the person that struck you had medical issues, fell asleep, or was distracted driving and was cited for that, if there was a cargo, equipment, or debris that was a catastrophic failure, if you struck an animal and had disabling damage, if you're involved in a collision where it is determined on the police report that the individual was trying to commit suicide, that DOT can be considered non-preventable. If you're unsure if your crash should be categorized as one of the above types, check the website in the description where you can review non-preventable crash types. How can I prevent DOT accidents? My best advice is to go slow, keep a safe following distance, and as much as possible, stay in your lane. Do your best to anticipate hazards by focusing on the road and limiting distractions. Understanding your CSA score and how it affects your career is important to your success. The motoring public can be frustrating to deal with. Keep in mind that many of them do not have close to the level of experience that you do. The health of your CDL is at stake, so be sure to review the DataQ's website and submit an inquiry if you were involved in a non-preventable crash. To learn more about how your safety score can weigh against you, check out this article on what a CSA score is and why you should worry about it. Thanks for watching another edition of Over the Road on the Truck Driving Channel. We make videos like this every week. If you found this video to be helpful, give it a like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks again, and we'll see you out on the road.